Are you one of those people who've noticed as they've gotten older that your once luscious head of hair has started to fade? Well, a hair transplant could be perfect for you. Back in the day when people thought about hair transplants, they thought about hair plugs, maybe a big scar in the back of the head where they would move hair over into the front. But today the technology is completely different. Nowadays we have Scarless hair transplantation, and my preferred technique is follicular unit extraction. That means each individual follicle in the back of your head is removed by a small machine. The back of the head is the most reliable source of donor hairs. Each follicle contains multiple units of hair, some as many as 3 or 4 hairs per follicle. The hair in the back of the head also does not fall out as you age, so we take each individual hair follicle and move them towards the front. This is going to give you a permanent result while restoring your hairline and increasing the density of your hair. The most important thing is you go to somebody experienced who's going to design your hairline so that it looks completely natural. In our office, I make sure that the individual hairs are placed in the right angle, and also that individual single thinner hairs are placed in the front, so your hairline looks very natural and age appropriate. Gone are the days with hair plugs or a straight line across the forehead. You're gonna have a precise and beautiful result. The procedure is a full day procedure. It usually takes anywhere between 8 to 10 hours. However, you're completely awake, comfortable, and numb throughout the procedure. A lot of people watch movies during the procedure, or sometimes they even fall asleep. Your hair will continue to grow longer and thicker over the course of a full year, and your final results will be after a year.